Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to marinate a steak, and I'm actually with my little daughter here.
Hi.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first, she loves to cook and she wants to learn, so I'm gonna teach her. Okay, first you're going to open this. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So what I use to marinate is this one. It's Mojo Criollo marinade. It's from Goja. I use a lot of Latin, Hispanic products to marinate and to cook because my nationality is Colombian. So, okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of this.
Okay.
So let's pour it in here.
Is that enough?
A little bit more. Okay, that's good. All right, and now what we're gonna do is, I also use this Sazon Goja, which is coriander and annatto. Okay, so we're gonna put about 3 envelopes of that. You have to be careful with this product because it does kind of stain your hands a little bit. It's very red. So it gives the steak a very, very nice flavor, but it also gives it a lot of color. And that's why I like it a lot. It makes it a little bit reddish.
Ooh, look at that color. Kind of orangey.
Yeah.
Have a little more.
You have to open it more.
Oh.
Let me help you. Grab the camera a little bit. Okay.
Hi.
So, like that. Okay. So, I am doing about 2 pieces. I would say, how much is this? Maybe half a pound. They're pretty big pieces. So, I use about 3 envelopes of this one. Okay. Okay, next what we're gonna do is cut
The orange?
an orange. Cut it in half. Okay. And I actually like to use this one so all the juice comes out. Okay?
Can I put it?
Like this. You can do the next one, all right? So we're gonna do 1 orange. Okay, try that one.
Ooh, this one is hard. This is hard. There it is.
Okay, nice job. Let's see if we can get a little bit more juice out of there. Okay, I think we got it all. All right, nice. Now we're gonna cut the lemon in half.
Lemon.
Uh-huh.
The green
Okay.
lemon.
Yep.
I want to use another because this one is a little smaller, so it's kind of easy.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh guys, come on, look. A little easy. Okay, I think that's enough. Look, that lime.
Okay.
Next one.
And do this one too. I just put 1. You can put half, but I like to put 1. It gives it a good flavor.
You said
You also don't want to put too much because then it's very like lemony.
like lime.
Yeah.
This is hard.
Yes.
Can you help me?
It's a little bit hard. Okay. There you go.
Are we gonna like mix it?
Yes, we're gonna mix it in a moment. Okay. So there we go. We got that. Good job. Okay. So what else do we put? I put a little bit of milk. It might surprise you, but it makes the steak a lot more tender.
I got it.
Okay, so let's just pour in a little bit heavy. Okay, so she's gonna pour in a little bit. I'll tell you when to stop. That's good, that's good.
Too much.
It's alright, it's alright. Okay, and then...
It looks like a little bit orange.
This steak is actually very good to grill. I'm not gonna grill it, I'm just gonna do it right on the stove. But when you grill it, it's amazing. But it's a little bit cold here in Chicago, so I'm not gonna go outside today to grill. All right, I'm also gonna put a little bit of beer, just a little bit. That gives it a really good taste too and makes it a lot more tender as well. And salt, of course. We need a little bit of salt. So for a pound of steak, they say for a pound of raw steak, usually you need 1 teaspoon of salt.
Enough?
All right.
Okay.
No, I think that's too much. That's way too much. So what we want to do, maybe like this, just a little bit. Okay. I think a little bit more. A little bit more.
So put all this?
Just, I think a little bit less than half a teaspoon.
Can I miss it?
Okay. That's good.
It looks like water, like you put color in it, and it looks like orange water. But it's actually not. I got some orange in my hand.
All right, now what we're gonna do is put the steak in. All right.
No, that's
So you want to marinate.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
It's a lot. It's a big one. All right. So you want to make sure that you get it all over.
I don't even want to touch it. It's like so watery. I don't even touch it.
Okay. And then another one. I have another one here. Look at that. It's big.
Big. Can I like put my hand in?
There you go. Just like that.
Ooh, I got my hand so orangey.
Okay, and now what we want to do is leave it. I like to leave it for about an hour
Oh my God.
to marinate, and then you can cook it. Or even better, if you can do it the day before, it gives it a lot more flavor. So you can do it the day before if you're gonna have a barbecue, some people over, and just leave it in the fridge and then take it out when you're gonna cook it and grill it. Ooh, tasty. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands.
I have to wash my hands.
Now what we're gonna do is rice. I like to make white rice, Colombian style. All right, so what we need for the rice is first we have to chop up some onions. All right, we're gonna proceed with making the white rice. The ingredients for this is a yellow onion, tomato, green onion, and garlic. All right, so let's wash the ingredients.
Okay, so I'm gonna wash the fruits.
All right, now we're gonna cut the green onions. She wants to try. No, it's way little. We have to make it very tiny, very finely cut. Okay, now what we have to do is the yellow onion.
It makes you cry.
Yes, you are right. So you can't look at it too closely because some people do cry when they cut onions. And the last thing is the garlic.
Ooh, can I cut the garlic?
Okay, so
Can I cut the garlic?
this one I'm just going to. Okay, now I'm grating the garlic.
Okay, now we're gonna cook.
So we're going to
Add a little bit of oil.
put everything that we just chopped up
Tap, 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 tap.
into medium high.
Medium.
Let's leave the oil. We want the oil to warm up.
Warm up a little bit. And then we can put the fruits, vegetable, and stuff.
Exactly.
Okay, so now we're gonna put in the vegetables and fruits.
This mixture gives it such a great taste, right?
Yeah.
Do you love the rice I make?
Yep, I do.
Okay, so while that's cooking, what we're gonna do is start the process of the rice. So for every cup of rice that you do, you have to put 2 cups of water. So it's double the water, all right? So we're going to measure the rice. Make sure it's full. The cup has to be completely full. And actually, I like to put a little bit over the top.
Like that?
No, we need a little bit more. If you can't grab it, use a little one and add a little bit more on it. Let's see.
That's enough.
That's good. That's pretty good. All right. No. Wait.
Yeah.
All right. And what we're going to do is rinse it. I like to rinse my rice. Okay, perfect.
Okay,
So you're going to put it under cold water. And you gotta wash it with your hands.
Dude, this is like cooking rice. This is good.
Move it around, move it around. Don't let it fall. The water needs to come out clear, okay? So just keep doing it until the water comes out clear. Gotta go like this, hold it.
Like that?
The measuring cup, and you're gonna fill 2 cups, and you're going to put it in your little rice maker. Okay, ready?
There.
So that's 1.
And then 1 more. 2.
Perfect.
In there. With the rice?
Yes, you can put the rice in there. All right, make sure you drop all of the bits of rice.
Ooh, look at that rice.
Nice.
Yummy.
All right, so now we're going to add salt. We put about 1 of the little ones. It's kind of like a teaspoon, but a little bit more. Okay? And we have to stir, make sure. And now I'm just waiting for the chopped mixture to be ready. And we're going to add a little bit of that. All right, now what I'm gonna do is pour a little bit of this, maybe a full handful of this. Okay, maybe a little bit more. You wanna make sure there's oil in the mixture. If it's too dry, you wanna add maybe a spoonful of oil because it helps for the rice not to stick.
Look at that. It looks good. Look at that rice.
Okay. All right, ready?
Uh-huh.
Now we just have to cover it and let it cook. Here is where the magic happens.
Let it cook.
As you can see, the rice is almost done. Ooh, it's looking delicious. All right, what I'm gonna do now is put the steak over medium high. The rice just got done cooking. So now I'm gonna put the steak, and it's gonna take just a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Look at that, it looks good. I'm gonna pour a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Make sure it's all over. Nelita, how do you think our lunch turned out?
Really good.
Amazing. Look at the tortillas. I think we are ready to eat. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our recipe. Try it at home. Let us know in the comments below. What did you think of it? How did it turn out? If you try it, you can also share some other recipes that you do at home, and we could try them out in our channel. Thank you for watching and see you later!